जय श्री कृष्ण। भगवद गीता चैप्टर 17 द डिविजन ऑफ फेथ वर्स 13 विधिहीनं सृष्टानं मंत्रहीनं दक्षिणं श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्ष्यते। Here Sri Krishna explain about the mode of darkness or mode of ignorance to the Arjuna. Any sacrifice performed without regard for the direction of scripture, without distribution of prasadam, without chanting of Vedic hymns and remuneration to the priest, and without faith is considered to be the mode of ignorance. Here the purport is faith in the mode of darkness or ignorance is actually faithlessness. Sometimes people worship some demigods just to make money and then spend the money for recreation, ignoring the scriptural injunctions. Such ceremonial shows of religiosity are not accepted as genuine. They are all in the mode of darkness. They produce a demoniac mentality and do not benefit human society. जय जगन्नाथ।